दोस्तों आज के इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे वाक्य कैसे बनाएं। नंबर 1, हाउस। माई हाउस इज वेरी वीक। माई हाउस इज वेरी वीक। नंबर 2, स्कूल। आई गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे। आई गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे। नंबर 3, टीचर। We should respect our teacher. We should respect our teacher. Number 4, book. This is my science book. This is my science book. Number 5, country. India is our country. India is our country. Number 6, tree. Tree gives us oxygen. Tree gives us oxygen. Number 7, horse. Horse runs very fast. Horse runs very fast. Number 8, pencil. I write with a pencil. I write with a pencil. Number 9, our. This is our car. This is our car. Number 10, black. This dog is black. This dog is black. Number 11, under. The cat is under the chair. The cat is under the chair. Number 12, who. Who will play with me? Who will play with me? Number 13, eat. She eats an apple. She eats an apple. Number 14, read. He reads a book. He reads a book.